everyone, and welcome to I Speak Organized. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a very quick and easy towel folding tutorial just in time for the holidays. And I'm going to walk you through step by step 2 techniques that you can use if you're building, let's say, a DIY gift basket, or if you just want to add some special touches to impress your friends and family in the guest bath. Super easy, lots of fun. So if that sounds good to you, stick around and let's get into it. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. What does that even mean? Welcome back, friends. Thanks for sticking around. If you don't know me, my name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. I make new videos every single week on home organizing and decluttering techniques, as well as motivation and productivity practices. So if that's your jam, then definitely consider subscribing to this channel so that you never miss another opportunity to learn something new and hang out with me. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to show you how I do a quick spa folding technique for washcloths and hand towels, and how I do a little display fold so that you can display toiletries or gift items, and you can make it holiday themed. You can mix and match colors, do whatever you want, have tons of fun, and it's really simple and easy to do and brings a lot of joy and is fun for your friends and family. So yeah, let's go do it. I want the Christmas tree to be on the outside when we're all done, so I'm going to flip the towel over to the back and fold down the corner to make a triangle, and then fold it in half. And then I'm going to flip it over once again, and we're looking to fold it 1/3 of the way in. So I'll take the flat side and fold it 1/3 and then start to roll. And the goal here is to keep the seam lined up with the roll and the rest of the towel. So I just hold the little corner taut and make sure that my seam lines up until I get to the very end. And then I take that little corner tail and tuck it in to the little front section of the towel, and that keeps it secure. And it's a cute little roll, spa roll. There it is. Woohoo! Alright, the next fold I'm going to be showing you is the pocket face towel, which is going to be holding our spa folded towels. And I'm going to do a little accordion fold and just tuck in the bottom of the towel, which is going to give it a bit more structure as it'll stand up on its end when we're all done. I'm going to flip it over to the opposite side and do an envelope fold long ways. And then I have a little trick here. You're going to take the top portion and tuck it into the pocket of the opposite side so that it fits nice and snug in there. It's not going to come undone. And you'll see that there's a nice little pocket at the bottom. So now I'm just going to take my first 2 folded towels, my little towel rolls here, and stick them in the front of the pocket. Can kind of mold it in place and make sure that it looks nice and stays together. And then you just take the top and sort of roll and fold it up so that it creates this nice little stand in the back. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. And I'm going to do the same thing for the washcloth pocket towel. This one is good for the DIY gift basket idea. Again, you do the little accordion fold. You can see that I tucked the seam on one side and did the accordion fold there. This is great for displaying little toiletry items. If you want to gift samples to people, I put some peppermint foot scrub in there. And again, I'm just indicating that I'm folding it in 3, and it's a little envelope fold. And you can see a little bit better in this clip that I tuck the top tail into the pocket right there, nice and neat, and then again just flip it over and fold it underneath. You can see that the little pocket there is nice and secure, nothing's gonna fall out, and it is the perfect way to display little gifts. So there's my little peppermint scrub and some hand and foot cream, and you've got yourself a really cute little DIY gift for a basket. All right, my friends, that is it. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I told you it was gonna be super easy and fun just in time for the holidays. And if you got value out of this, could you do me a favor and hit the like button, a little thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you become a member of the Speaker Fam, and all you have to do is just hit the little circle icon of my face, and that'll make you an official member of my Speaker family, and then we can go on many a decluttering and productivity and folding adventure together in the future. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful holiday season. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.